Over 100,000 interstellar objects may silently drift through our galaxy at any given moment. Yet in all of human history, we've confirmed only 3 entering our solar system. The third, discovered in 2024 and named 3IATLAS, races through space at nearly 30 kilometers per second. Could this cosmic traveler be staying, settling among our planets like a guest who refuses to leave? Tonight, Cosmic Sleep Science invites you to close your eyes, slow your breathing, and drift into the quiet mystery of 3IATLAS, where the boundaries of science and wonder blur into dream. Under a velvet Hawaiian sky, a telescope hums quietly, its lens tracing the endless expanse of stars. The Atlas telescope, guided by astronomers peering into the cosmic unknown, caught a faint glimmer, moving unlike any planet or comet. This was 3IATLAS, a visitor from beyond our solar system, its hyperbolic trajectory marking it as an interstellar wanderer. The discovery sent waves of excitement through observatories, echoing the 2017 revelation of Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object, which captivated hearts and minds worldwide. Picture a spectral ship emerging from a starry mist, its form a silent message from distant realms. Unlike comets bound by the sun's embrace, 3IATLAS follows a path that should carry it through our system, a fleeting guest in our celestial home. Yet, its arrival feels profound, as if it carries whispers from ancient stars. Could this object be more than a cosmic drifter, pausing to share secrets from its galactic voyage? The thought stirs wonder, like a soft breeze rustling through the mind. Its strange motion hints at mysteries, a traveler unbound by our sun's gravity, yet somehow tethered to our curiosity. Imagine sailors spotting a strange vessel on the horizon, unsure if it's a mirage or a sign of distant lands. The global buzz around 3IATLAS mirrors that of Oumuamua, when scientists and dreamers alike pondered its origins. Is it a fragment of a shattered world? A relic from a dying star? Or could it hold clues to life beyond our reach? As we gaze into the night, the mystery of 3IATLAS wraps around us, a gentle enigma, soothing us towards sleep. Its presence feels like an invitation, calling us to dream of cosmic journeys and the secrets hidden in the vast, starry void. The light of 3IATLAS flickers, like a distant beacon pulsing in the cosmic dark. Its brightness shifts erratically, suggesting an odd shape or unusual surface. Unlike the steady glow of familiar comets, picture it spinning through the void, catching starlight in uneven bursts. A lighthouse with a fractured rhythm. This peculiar dance puzzles astronomers, hinting at a composition that defies known patterns. Could it be a rugged rock, a metallic shard, or something stranger still? Avi Loeb, the Harvard maverick, floats a bold idea, suggesting 3IATLAS might resemble a cosmic artifact, much like his theory for Oumuamua in 2017. Could it be a relic from a distant civilization, drifting through our system? Others counter with natural explanations, proposing reflective ice or dust coatings, shaped by alien worlds. The debate hums with possibility, like a quiet song echoing through the night. If artificial, what would it mean for our place among the stars? If natural, what strange forces sculpted its form? This mystery recalls ancient stargazers who saw omens in the sky, unsure if they were gods or natural wonders. The flickering light of 3IATLAS feels like a signal, a message waiting to be unraveled. Each pulse stirs the imagination, inviting questions that linger softly. Is it a fragment of a shattered planet, or a crafted probe from beyond? The thought wraps around us, gentle and alluring, pulling us deeper into curiosity. As we drift towards sleep, the enigma of 3IATLAS soothes the mind, like a whisper from the cosmos. Its strange glow beckons, a quiet puzzle that eases us into dreams. Picture lying beneath a starry sky, pondering what secrets this wanderer holds. what tales it carries from its long journey through the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. A hyperbolic orbit is a cosmic rarity, like a lone bird soaring through our skies, unbound by Earth's pull. 3I Atlas was identified racing through our solar system at 30 kilometers per second, its trajectory confirming origins beyond our cosmic borders. Unlike the looping paths of comets like Halley's, which orbit the Sun in predictable cycles, 3I Atlas follows a curve that should propel it back into the interstellar void. This path evokes the Voyager probes, launched decades ago to drift into the unknown, carrying humanity's messages for unseen finders. Yet, something feels off. Early data suggests 3I Atlas might slow unexpectedly, defying its predicted escape. Could invisible forces be at play, like outgassing from its surface, pushing it off course like a comet's glowing tail? Or might it feel the faint gravitational tug of a nearby planet, known for bold theories, suggests it could be guided by forces beyond our physics, perhaps even intentional design? The idea sparks debate, like a faint star blinking in the night. This anomaly recalls the Voyager missions, sent to explore and never return. Yet 3I Atlas seems to linger, challenging expectations. Scientists ponder if natural processes, like vaporizing ice, could alter its path, or if something stranger is at work. The thought is a quiet ripple, stirring the mind with possibility. What could cause this wanderer to pause in our celestial sea? Is it a cosmic fluke? Or does it carry intent from a distant source? As we drift towards sleep, the mystery of its path feels like a gentle current, pulling us into dreams of interstellar voyages. The question lingers, soft and soothing, inviting us to wonder what secrets 3I Atlas holds, what stories it might tell from its journey through the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. The light of 3I Atlas flickers, like a distant beacon pulsing in the cosmic dark. Its brightness shifts erratically, observed suggesting an odd shape or unusual surface. Unlike the steady glow of familiar comets, picture it spinning through the void, catching starlight in uneven bursts, a lighthouse with a fractured rhythm. This peculiar dance puzzles astronomers, hinting at a composition that defies known patterns. Could it be a rugged rock, a metallic shard, or something stranger still? The Harvard Maverick floats a bold idea, suggesting 3I Atlas might resemble a cosmic artifact. Much like his theory for Oumuamua in 2017, could it be a relic from a distant civilization, drifting through our system? Others counter with natural explanations, proposing reflective ice or dust coatings shaped by alien worlds. The debate hums with possibility, like a quiet song echoing through the night. If artificial, what would it mean for our place among the stars? If natural, what strange forces sculpted its form? This mystery recalls ancient stargazers who saw omens in the sky, unsure if they were gods or natural wonders. The flickering light of 3I Atlas feels like a signal, a message waiting to be unraveled. Each pulse stirs the imagination, inviting questions that linger softly. Is it a fragment of a shattered planet, or a crafted probe from beyond? The thought wraps around us, gentle and alluring, pulling us deeper into curiosity. As we drift towards sleep, the enigma of 3I Atlas soothes the mind, like a whisper from the cosmos. Its strange glow beckons, a quiet puzzle that eases us into dreams. Picture lying beneath a starry sky, pondering what secrets this wanderer holds, what tales it carries from its long journey through the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. His bold claim that Oumuamua might be an alien probe stirred global debate, and now he turns his gaze to 3I Atlas. He proposed a startling theory that this interstellar visitor, with its hyperbolic orbit, may not flee our solar system as expected. Instead, it might linger, caught by subtle gravitational forces or perhaps something more deliberate. Picture a stone skipped across a cosmic pond, slowing mid-flight, refusing to vanish into the void. This idea echoes history's visionaries, like Galileo, who challenged the stars and faced doubt, yet reshaped our view of the universe. If Loeb is right, what could hold this wanderer in our celestial neighborhood? Is it a natural quirk, a fluke of gravity and motion, or could it be designed to stay a silent observer of our solar system? The notion stretches the mind, like a dream unfolding under a canopy of stars. Scientists debate whether unseen forces, like planetary tugs, could trap 3I Atlas, or if Loeb's radical ideas hold truth. This recalls the skepticism faced by early astronomers, who dared to imagine Earth was not the universe's center. The possibility of 3I Atlas lingering feels profound, a quiet challenge to our understanding. Could it be a cosmic accident, or a sign of something greater? As we ponder, the mystery wraps around us, soothing and expansive, like the night sky itself. The thought of an interstellar guest pausing here invites wonder, coaxing us to drift into sleep. What secrets might it hold? What stories from its journey across the stars? The question hums softly, a gentle lullaby, guiding us into dreams of cosmic possibilities and the vast, uncharted realms beyond our world. Imagine 3I Atlas pausing, like a weary traveler at a cosmic crossroads, its orbit bending just enough to hint at staying. Observatories detected subtle shifts in its path, claim that this interstellar visitor might remain in our solar system. Could it be caught in the sun's gravity, like a leaf trapped in a stream's gentle eddy? Loeb suggests it might be an artificial object, designed to linger, perhaps to watch our cosmic neighborhood. Others argue for natural causes, like gravitational nudges from Jupiter's massive pull. The debate echoes ancient myths of wandering gods, pausing to gaze upon humanity from the heavens. These orbital shifts, faint but undeniable, spark curiosity, like a whisper from the stars. Could 3I Atlas be a cosmic fluke, or does it carry intent from a distant source? The question hums softly, a soothing puzzle. This recalls the skepticism faced by early astronomers, who saw comets as omens, debating their nature. If Loeb is right, what could anchor this wanderer here? Is it a natural quirk, or a sign of something greater? The thought wraps around us, gentle and expansive. Like the night sky itself, picture lying beneath a canopy of stars, pondering if 3I Atlas is observing us, or simply drifting. Lost in our celestial sea, the mystery feels like a quiet lullaby, easing us into dreams. Its subtle movements stir wonder, inviting questions that calm the mind. What secrets does it hold? What stories from its journey across the galaxy? As we drift toward sleep, the enigma of 3I Atlas soothes us, a gentle current pulling us into the vastness of the cosmos. The thought of a lingering visitor lingers, a soft invitation to dream of cosmic possibilities and the mysteries hidden in the starry depths. Spectral analysis is like reading the fingerprint of a star, a cosmic code revealing the essence of 3I Atlas. Telescopes found its surface gleaming, possibly with ice or metal, unlike the dusty, muted comets we know. Picture a polished stone skipping across a celestial lake, catching starlight in strange, hypnotic ways. This mirrors the Rosetta mission study of Comet 67P, which unveiled a rugged, unexpected texture that surprised scientists. Could 3I Atlas be a shard of an alien world's crust, forged in a distant star's fire? Its reflective sheen hints at mysteries, a traveler bearing secrets from beyond our cosmic shores. The glow feels otherworldly, like a signal from the void, pulling us deeper into the unknown. Imagine explorers finding a strange relic in an uncharted land, its surface glinting with unfamiliar light. The discovery of 3I Atlas stirs similar wonder, its composition a puzzle that defies easy answers. Is it coated in exotic ice, reflecting the stars like a mirror? Or does it hold metallic traces, hinting at processes unknown to our solar system? The thought lingers softly, like a whisper from the cosmos, soothing the mind with its enigma. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of 3I wraps around us, a gentle riddle that calms the soul. Its strange shine invites us to dream, to ponder what distant worlds shape this wanderer. The question drifts, a quiet current in the mind, easing us towards sleep with visions of cosmic lakes and gleaming stones, carrying tales from the far reaches of the galaxy. Imagine 3I glowing brighter than expected, like a mirror adrift in the starry void. Its high albedo observed puzzles astronomers, suggesting a surface far more reflective than typical comets. Could it be cloaked in shimmering ice, like Jupiter's moon Europa, or forged from metal, like asteroids in science fiction tales? Some hypothesize it's a natural body, coated in exotic materials from a distant star system. Others dare to wonder if it's an engineered artifact, designed to catch the light. This debate echoes the Voynich manuscript, a cryptic text from centuries past, its meaning still eluding scholars. Is 3I a natural oddity, shaped by cosmic forces, or a crafted enigma from an alien mind? The question hums, a soft melody in the night. Its bright glow feels like a signal, a beacon that stirs curiosity. Scientists debate whether its reflectivity comes from icy crystals or metallic surfaces, each theory a thread in a cosmic tapestry. Picture ancient scribes puzzling over a strange script, unsure if it holds wisdom or mystery. The high albedo of 3I invites a similar wonder, its surface a riddle that soothes the mind. If natural, what alien processes created its shine? If artificial, what purpose does it serve? The thought wraps around us, gentle and alluring, like a starry blanket. As we drift towards sleep, the enigma of its composition calms us, a quiet puzzle that lingers. Imagine lying beneath the cosmos, pondering what stories this glowing wanderer carries, what secrets it reflects from its journey through the stars. The mystery sways softly, lulling us into dreams of distant worlds and their shimmering relics. Estimating size in the vastness of space is like guessing a ship's length through a cosmic fog, a challenge that reveals hidden truths. Astronomers estimated 3I to be 100 to 500 meters long, based on its brightness and distance from Earth. Picture a football field adrift in the void, spinning silently among the stars. This recalls asteroid Bennu, sampled by NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, which surprised scientists with its rugged, boulder-strewn form. Could 3I be elongated, like Oumuamua's cigar-like shape, or perhaps spherical, like a cosmic pebble? If its form is irregular, what violent forces shaped it in a distant star system? If uniform, could it hint at deliberate design? As some speculate, the debate stirs the imagination, like a quiet ripple across a starry lake. Scientists ponder whether its size suggests a fragment of a shattered planet or something crafted with purpose. The thought of 3I tumbling through space feels profound, a mystery that soothes the mind. Its size, though uncertain, paints a picture of a wanderer large enough to hold secrets, yet small enough to slip through the cosmos unnoticed. This echoes ancient explorers sighting a distant ship, unsure of its origin or intent. Is it a natural relic or something more? The question drifts gently, a soft wave in the mind. As we lie beneath the night sky, the enigma of 3I calms us, inviting dreams of cosmic voyages. Its size and shape remain a puzzle, a quiet invitation to ponder what forces, natural or otherwise, crafted this interstellar guest. The thought lulls us, easing us into sleep with visions of spinning forms in the vast, starry sea. Picture 3I-ATLAS, spinning like a baton tossed into the starry void, its uneven shape causing flickers of light that dance across the cosmos. Its tumbling motion, detected by telescopes, suggests an irregular, possibly cigar-shaped structure, unlike the rounded forms of typical asteroids. This erratic spin sparks debate, with some arguing it's a natural rock, sculpted by cosmic collisions in a distant star system. Others imagine a crafted object, designed to tumble through space with purpose. The mystery evokes ancient stone monoliths, like Stonehenge, their origins and meanings lost to time. Is 3I-ATLAS a relic of a shattered world's chaos, or a deliberate creation from an alien mind? The question sways gently, like a lullaby woven from starlight. Its flickering light feels like a signal, a cosmic rhythm that puzzles astronomers. Could its shape result from eons of impacts? Or does it hint at artificial design? The debate hums softly, stirring curiosity as we drift toward sleep. This tumbling motion recalls Oumuamua, whose odd shape fueled speculation about its nature. Picture ancient stargazers watching a comet's strange path, debating whether it was a god or a natural wonder. The irregular spin of 3I-ATLAS invites similar wonder, its form a riddle that soothes the mind. If natural, what violent forces shaped it? If crafted, what purpose drives its dance? The thought wraps around us, a gentle enigma, calming us with its mystery. As we close our eye, the image of 3I-ATLAS spinning through the stars lingers, a quiet puzzle that eases us into dreams. The question of its shape hums softly, lulling us into a night filled with visions of cosmic relics and their silent stories. Isotopes are like cosmic signatures, tracing the origins of a wanderer like 3I-ATLAS. Early data suggested this interstellar object might carry rare isotopes, elements forged in the heart of a distant star. Unlike those born in our sun's fire, this recalls the Murchison meteorite, which fell to Earth in 1969, bearing amino acids and isotopes alien to our solar system. Could 3I-ATLAS hold similar clues, pointing to a specific stellar nursery far beyond our reach? Or might it be made of engineered materials, crafted by an unknown intelligence? The idea floats softly, like a wave in the cosmic tide, stirring restful curiosity. Picture a fragment of a long-dead star, drifting through the galaxy, its isotopes a record of its ancient birth. The possibility that 3I-ATLAS carries such exotic elements feels profound, a whisper from the universe's depths. Scientists debate whether these isotopes suggest a natural origin, like a planet shattered by a supernova, or something more deliberate. This echoes the discovery of Martian meteorites, which hinted at water and life beyond Earth. If 3I-ATLAS holds unique isotopes, what story do they tell? The question lingers, a gentle ripple in the mind, soothing us as we ponder. Is it a relic of a cosmic cataclysm, or a crafted probe sent to explore? The thought calms us, like a starry breeze, inviting dreams of distant worlds. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of its origins wraps around us, a quiet enigma that eases us towards sleep. The idea of alien isotopes hums softly, lulling us into visions of stellar nurseries and their ancient secrets. Imagine 3I-ATLAS as a fragment of a shattered world, its surface dusted with carbon-based compounds or glinting with traces of metal. Early data from 2024 suggests such materials, sparking wonder about its origins. This mirrors findings on Ceres, the dwarf planet where organic molecules hinted at life's building blocks. Could 3I-ATLAS carry similar compounds, the seeds of alien chemistry? Or is it a metallic husk? Speculates. Some see it as a natural relic, forged in a distant star's crucible. Others imagine a crafted shell, designed to endure the cosmic void. The debate evokes ancient alchemists, chasing the philosopher's stone, seeking truths in mysterious substances. The presence of carbon or metal feels like a clue, a whisper from the stars. Is 3I-ATLAS a product of cosmic chaos, or does it bear the mark of intent? The question hums softly, a soothing melody in the night. Picture a wanderer adrift in the galaxy, its surface a record of its journey through alien realms. This recalls the Allende meteorite, rich with carbon and ancient stardust, puzzling scientists decades ago. If 3I-ATLAS holds such materials, what story do they tell? The thought wraps around us, gentle and alluring, like a starry blanket. Could it be a natural fragment, or a probe sent to explore our system? The mystery calms the mind, a quiet riddle that lingers as we drift towards sleep. The enigma of its composition soothes us, inviting dreams of cosmic forges and distant worlds. The image of 3I-ATLAS, dusted with carbon or gleaming with metal, sways gently, lulling us into a night filled with wonder and the secrets of the universe's ancient heart. If you've enjoyed drifting with us through the mysteries of 3I-ATLAS, let your curiosity rest here a little longer. Subscribe to Cosmic Sleep Science for more journeys across the stars, where wonder and rest meet. Leave a gentle thought in the comments, and share this space with those who dream beneath the same sky. Telescopes are humanity's watchful eyes, gazing into the cosmic sea to track 3I-ATLAS. Observatories like Atlas in Hawaii, Pan-STARRS, and the Very Large Telescope in Chile unite, their lenses aligned like ancient astronomers sharing star charts across deserts. Together, they weave a tapestry of data, capturing the faint, flickering path of this interstellar wanderer. This effort mirrors the global race to study Oumuamua in 2017, when scientists worldwide joined forces to unravel a fleeting visitor's secrets. The light of 3I-ATLAS dances strangely, its erratic glow a puzzle that defies easy answers. Why does it shimmer in such an unpredictable rhythm? Is it spinning wildly? Or does its surface hold unknown properties? The mystery wraps around us, a gentle veil of cosmic wonder, soothing the mind with its enigma. Picture a network of stargazers, each telescope a sentinel, guarding the night to catch glimpses of this distant traveler. Its path, both precise and elusive, feels like a whisper from the stars, hinting at stories from beyond our solar system. The collaboration stirs awe, like ancient navigators charting new constellations together. Could 3I-ATLAS be more than a passing rock, lingering to share its tale? The thought hums softly, a quiet pulse in the night, pulling us toward dreams. As we lie beneath the starry sky, the global effort to track this object feels like a collective lullaby, uniting humanity in curiosity. The flickering light of 3I-ATLAS beckons, a cosmic riddle that calms the soul, inviting us to drift into sleep with visions of telescopes scanning the heavens, chasing secrets hidden in the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Imagine observatories as lighthouses, their beams of data crossing oceans to track 3I-ATLAS. Real-time data sharing binds global telescopes, creating a seamless map of its journey through the stars. This collaboration echoes the Apollo missions, when tracking stations worldwide followed astronauts to the moon, uniting humanity in a shared dream. The path of 3I-ATLAS sparks debate, its subtle shifts puzzling scientists. Is it nudged by natural forces, like solar wind pushing a cosmic sail? Or could it be guided by something artificial, defying our physics? The question lingers, a soft ripple in the mind. If it lingers in our solar system, what mechanisms could hold it here? Some propose outgassing, like a comet's tail altering its course. Others, inspired by Loeb, wonder if it's a crafted object, designed to stay. The thought feels like a distant melody, soothing and expansive. This global effort recalls the hunt for exoplanets, where shared data revealed new worlds orbiting faraway stars. The data streaming from telescopes paints 3I-ATLAS as a wanderer. Its trajectory, a puzzle that calms the soul. Could its path hint at unseen forces? Or is it a natural quirk? The debate hums gently, like a starry breeze, pulling us toward rest. Picture scientists across continents, their screens glowing with 3I-ATLAS's faint signal, debating its nature. The shared effort feels like a cosmic thread, stitching humanity to the stars. As we drift towards sleep, the mystery of its trajectory soothes us, a quiet rhythm guiding us into dreams. The thought of global eyes tracking this visitor lingers, lulling us with visions of a united quest for cosmic truths. Tracking a fast-moving object like 3I-ATLAS is like chasing a firefly in a cosmic storm. Speeding at 30 kilometers per second, this interstellar wanderer tests the limits of our telescopes, its faint glow fading into the vastness of space. This challenge mirrors the struggle to study distant quasars, whose light travels billions of years to reach us. Dimmed by time and distance, the erratic motion of 3I-ATLAS creates gaps in our data, its unpredictable path a riddle that eludes precision. Why does its light flicker so strangely, slipping through our grasp? Could unseen forces, like outgassing or gravitational tugs, be at play? The mystery feels like a whisper, soft and elusive, wrapping us in cosmic wonder. Picture astronomers peering through their lenses, battling the object's speed to capture its secrets. These gaps in observation hint at something deeper, a puzzle that stirs the imagination. This recalls early attempts to track comets, when fleeting glimpses left scientists yearning for more. The faint signal of 3I-ATLAS feels like a distant beacon, calling us to ponder its nature. Is it a simple rock, or does it hide a greater truth? The thought drifts gently, a quiet wave in the mind, soothing us as we rest. As we lie beneath the starry sky, the challenge of tracking this wanderer calms us, a gentle enigma that invites dreams. The struggle to see 3I-ATLAS clearly feels like chasing a shadow, a cosmic dance that lulls the soul. The question of what slips through these cracks lingers, easing us into sleep with visions of fireflies darting through the vast, uncharted reaches of the cosmos. Picture Earth's atmosphere as a shimmering veil, blurring the faint light of 3I-ATLAS. Light pollution, like city glow drowning out stars, complicates efforts to observe this interstellar visitor. This challenge recalls early astronomers battling cloudy skies to map constellations, their view obscured by nature's whims. The flickering signal of 3I-ATLAS feels like a whispered tale, its clarity lost to atmospheric ripples and urban lights. Could these obstacles hide critical clues about its path or nature? Some hypothesize that interference masks subtle trajectory shifts, hinting at unseen forces like gas jets. Others wonder if it conceals artificial signals, a crafted object blending into the cosmic noise. The debate sways gently, a soothing puzzle that calms the mind. This struggle mirrors the search for pulsars, whose faint pulses were once mistaken for static, until patient observation revealed their truth. The obscured light of 3I-ATLAS stirs wonder, like a story half heard in the night. Is it a natural wanderer, its path altered by cosmic winds, or something more? The thought hums softly, pulling us toward dreams. Picture astronomers adjusting their telescopes, chasing a signal through the haze, their efforts a quiet quest for clarity. The mystery of what lies hidden feels like a gentle current, easing us into rest. Could these challenges conceal a cosmic secret? Or are they merely Earth's veil? The question lingers, a starry whisper that soothes the soul as we drift towards sleep. The enigma of 3I-ATLAS's obscured light wraps around us, a quiet riddle that lulls us with visions of ancient stargazers, chasing truths through the cosmic haze. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's newest window to the cosmos, may soon turn its gaze to 3I-ATLAS, launched in 2021. Its power recalls Hubble's breathtaking images, unveiling the secrets of distant galaxies. NASA and ESA plan to use JWST and other telescopes to study 3I-ATLAS's spectrum, probing its composition in unprecedented detail. This effort feels like opening a cosmic book, each wavelength a page revealing the object's nature. Could JWST detect exotic materials, like rare isotopes, confirming a natural origin? Or might it uncover signs of artificiality, a crafted relic lingering in our solar system? The debate stirs the imagination, like a quiet ripple across a starry sea. If 3I-ATLAS stays, as Loeb suggests, its spectrum could hold the key to its story. This recalls Hubble's study of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which revealed Jupiter's violent embrace. The anticipation of JWST's gaze feels profound, a promise of answers hidden in the stars. Scientists ponder whether its findings will point to a rocky fragment or something engineered, a question that soothes the mind. Picture astronomers waiting eagerly, their screens poised to capture cosmic light. The thought of unveiling 3I-ATLAS's secrets hums gently, a soft rhythm guiding us toward rest. Is it a wanderer from a distant star, or a probe watching our world? The possibility calms us, like a starry breeze, inviting dreams of cosmic discoveries. As we lie beneath the night sky, the plan to study 3I-ATLAS feels like a lullaby, lulling us with visions of telescopes piercing the void, chasing truths in the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Imagine a spacecraft chasing 3I-ATLAS, like a hawk soaring after a fleeting shadow in the cosmic dusk. NASA and ESA discuss flyby missions to study this interstellar visitor up close, a bold plan to reveal its secrets. This mirrors OSIRIS-REx's rendezvous with asteroid Bennu, which unveiled a rugged world in stunning detail. Could a flyby detect alien minerals, like carbon compounds, or engineered structures? Or will it confirm 3I-ATLAS as a natural wanderer, shaped by distant stars? The possibility stirs wonder, like a bedtime story unfolding in the night sky. Early data hints at a strange surface, its light flickering with an unknown rhythm. Scientists debate whether a mission could uncover organic molecules, like those on Ceres, or metallic traces suggesting artificiality. The thought feels like a whisper, soft and alluring, pulling us toward dreams. This recalls the Voyager probes, sent to explore distant planets, their golden records carrying humanity's voice. A flyby of 3I-ATLAS could be humanity's chance to touch the cosmos, to learn what this object holds. Is it a fragment of a shattered world, or a crafted relic with purpose? The question hums gently, a soothing puzzle that calms the mind. Picture a spacecraft gliding through the void, its cameras capturing every glint and shadow. The mystery of what lies on 3I-ATLAS's surface sways softly, easing us into rest. Could it carry the story of a distant star, or a message from beyond? As we drift toward sleep, the dream of a close encounter wraps around us, a quiet enigma lulling us with visions of cosmic voyages and the secrets waiting in the starry depths. Gravity is the universe's gentle hand, weaving paths for planets, comets, and interstellar travelers like 3I-ATLAS. Despite its hyperbolic trajectory, discovered this object might be slowed by a planet's pull, perhaps Jupiter's massive embrace. This recalls comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which was captured by Jupiter's gravity before crashing into its clouds in 1994. A cosmic spectacle that enthralled astronomers. Could 3I-ATLAS be snared similarly? Its journey halted by the sun or a planet? Or might it choose to linger, guided by forces beyond our understanding? The idea sways softly, like a cosmic lullaby, stirring wonder in the mind. Picture a wanderer adrift in our solar system. its path bending under invisible forces. Like a ship caught in a celestial current, scientists debate whether natural gravitational tugs could trap this interstellar guest, turning it into a temporary resident. The possibility feels profound, a quiet riddle that soothes the soul. This mirrors the capture of irregular moons around Saturn, once free but now bound by gravity's pull. If 3I Atlas lingers, what forces anchor it here? Is it a cosmic accident, or something more deliberate? The thought hums gently, pulling us toward dreams. As we lie beneath the starry sky, the mystery of its potential capture wraps around us, a soft enigma that calms the mind. The idea of gravity guiding this traveler feels like a starry embrace, inviting us to ponder its journey. The question drifts, a gentle wave in the cosmic sea, easing us into sleep with visions of planets and stars dancing together in the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Picture 3I Atlas dancing with the gravity of our solar system, its path bending like a river carving a new course through the stars. Simulations in 2024 suggest a slim chance it could settle into a stable orbit, defying its interstellar origins. This mirrors the rare capture of asteroids, like 2006 RH-20, which briefly orbited Earth before drifting away. The faint possibility of 3I Atlas staying sparks debate. Is it a natural fluke? A cosmic quirk of gravity? Of intentional lingering hold weight? The question hums softly, like a whisper from the cosmos, soothing the mind with its mystery. Could unseen forces, like subtle planetary tugs, anchor this wanderer? Or is something stranger at play? As Loeb imagines, a crafted object designed to stay, the uncertainty feels like a gentle breeze, stirring dreams of cosmic visitors. This recalls the story of temporary moons, objects snared briefly by planetary gravity, their paths a puzzle to astronomers. The slight shifts in 3I Atlas's trajectory feel like a signal, a clue to its fate. Scientists ponder whether it will loop into our system or slip back into the void. The thought wraps around us, a quiet enigma, calming us as we drift toward sleep. Picture a wanderer pausing at a cosmic crossroads, its future uncertain yet alluring. The mystery of its potential orbit sways gently, a starry lullaby that eases the soul. As we close our eyes, the idea of 3I Atlas finding a home here lingers, lulling us with visions of celestial dances and the secrets of an interstellar guest resting in our starry sea. Planets are like cosmic shepherds, guiding objects through the vastness of space with their gravitational pull. 3I Atlas passes near Mars, its path potentially nudged by Jupiter's distant, powerful tug. This recalls how Neptune shapes the orbits of Kuiper Belt objects, sculpting their journeys through subtle forces. The slight wobble in 3I Atlas's trajectory, observed near Mars, hints at unseen influences, like a ship rocked by hidden currents in a starry ocean. What forces guide this interstellar traveler? The question hums softly, a gentle pulse in the night, stirring wonder as we ponder its path. Picture 3I Atlas gliding through the solar system, its course altered by the quiet pull of planets. This mirrors the dance of comets, like Halley's, whose paths bend under Jupiter's influence. The faint shifts in its motion feel like a cosmic whisper, a clue to its journey. Could Mars or Jupiter be reshaping its hyperbolic arc, slowing its escape? The mystery wraps around us, a soft enigma that soothes the mind. Scientists watch closely, seeking signs of planetary influence in its erratic path. The thought of 3I Atlas weaving through our system feels profound, like ancient mariners spotting a strange vessel on the horizon. Is it a natural wanderer, nudged by familiar forces, or something more? The question drifts gently, a starry breeze that calms the soul. As we lie beneath the night sky, the enigma of its planetary dance lingers, inviting dreams of cosmic shepherds guiding their flocks. The thought of unseen forces at play eases us into sleep, lulling us with visions of planets and stars shaping the path of this interstellar guest. If the shimmer of 3IATLAS has sparked your wonder, keep traveling with us through the cosmos. Subscribe and join Cosmic Sleep Science, where each story is a lullaby carried on starlight. Imagine 3IATLAS as a stone skipping across the orbits of planets, its path curved by the gravitational slingshots of Mars or Jupiter. These effects, like those that propelled Voyager 2 past distant worlds, could alter 3IATLAS's trajectory, potentially slowing its escape. Could this explain its lingering presence? Or is something else at play? The question sways gently, like a cosmic melody, soothing the mind with its mystery. Scientists debate whether planetary slingshots could trap this wanderer, or if its path hints at artificial guidance, as Loeb proposes. This recalls ancient tales of comets, seen as omens with unpredictable paths, their movements sparking wonder and debate. The subtle shifts in 3IATLAS's course feel like a whisper, a clue to its nature. Could Mars's weak gravity nudge it? Or does Jupiter's massive pull reshape its journey? The thought hums softly, a quiet riddle that calms the soul. Picture a stone skipping across a starry pond, its trajectory bending with each planetary encounter. This mirrors the path of spacecraft like Cassini, which use slingshots to explore Saturn's moons. If 3IATLAS is redirected, is it a natural fluke or a sign of something crafted? The debate lingers, a gentle current in the mind, pulling us toward dreams. The mystery of its altered path feels like a starry breeze, easing us into rest. As we drift toward sleep, the enigma of planetary influences wraps around us, a soft puzzle that lulls the soul. The thought of 3IATLAS dancing with planets soothes us, inviting visions of cosmic voyages and the secrets of an interstellar traveler. Outgassing is like a comet's breath, a release of gas that shifts its path through the stars. 3IATLAS might be slowing through such a process, losing energy and reducing its escape velocity. This recalls comet Encke, whose jets subtly altered its orbit, surprising astronomers with its behavior. Could outgassing be the key to 3IATLAS's potential stay in our solar system? Or might it be decelerating through artificial means, a crafted object defying natural laws? The thought drifts gently, a soft wave in the cosmic sea, stirring wonder as we ponder. Picture 3IATLAS venting gas like a distant geyser, its trajectory bending under invisible forces. This mirrors the behavior of comet Hale-Bopp, whose bright jets captivated skywatchers in the 1990s. If outgassing is at play, what fuels this interstellar wanderer? Is it ice vaporizing under the sun's warmth? Or something stranger? The debate hums softly, a quiet riddle that soothes the mind. Scientists ponder whether natural processes, like collisions with cosmic dust, could also slow it, or if Loeb's bold idea holds truth. The possibility feels profound, like ancient alchemists seeking the source of a mysterious light. The thought of 3IATLAS losing energy wraps around us, a gentle enigma that calms the soul as we lie beneath the starry sky. The mystery of its slowing pace invites dreams of cosmic breaths and unseen forces. The question of what drives its change lingers, easing us into sleep with visions of comets and stars weaving their tales in the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Picture 3IATLAS as a weary traveler, slowing as if reluctant to leave our cosmic shores. Unexplained energy losses hint at forces beyond gravity, like magnetic interactions or advanced technology. This mirrors the Pioneer anomaly, where probes deviated from predicted paths, puzzling scientists for years. Could 3IATLAS be influenced by similar mysteries? Or is it a crafted object? As Loeb imagines, the question lingers, a soft whisper in the night. soothing the mind with its enigma. The faint dips in its energy feel like a signal, a clue to its nature. Scientists debate whether outgassing or collisions with cosmic particles could explain this, or if something stranger is at play. The thought sways gently, like a starry breeze, pulling us toward dreams. This recalls the unexpected behavior of Oumuamua, whose acceleration sparked debates about non-gravitational forces. Picture 3I-ATLAS drifting through the solar system, its energy fading like a firefly's glow. Is it a natural oddity, shaped by cosmic winds, or a deliberate creation with purpose? The debate hums softly, a quiet puzzle that calms the soul. The mystery of its slowing pace feels like a cosmic lullaby, easing us into rest. Could these energy losses hide a deeper truth? Or are they merely the whims of the universe? The thought wraps around us, a gentle current in the mind, inviting visions of interstellar travelers pausing in our starry sea as we drift toward sleep. The enigma of 3I-ATLAS's energy loss soothes us, lulling us with dreams of cosmic mysteries and the secrets of a wanderer lingering in the night. Science often leans toward simplicity, favoring natural explanations for cosmic mysteries like 3I-ATLAS. Most astronomers see it as a rogue comet or asteroid fragment, its composition possibly matching interstellar dust clouds born in a distant star's collapse. This recalls the Allende meteorite, which fell in 1969, its fragments revealing exotic chemistry from beyond our solar system. Yet, hypothesis challenges this view, proposing 3I-ATLAS could be a crafted object, a relic of an alien civilization. The debate hums softly, like a cosmic melody, stirring wonder as we ponder its nature. Picture a wanderer drifting through the stars, its surface shaped by natural forces or perhaps engineered with purpose. If it's a comet, what violent cosmic event forged its form? If artificial, who sent it across the galaxy? The thought feels like a gentle breeze, soothing the mind with its enigma. This mirrors debates over Oumuamua, whose odd shape sparked similar questions in 2017. Scientists weigh whether 3I-ATLAS is a natural shard, sculpted by a supernova's fire, or a deliberate creation. The possibility of an alien artifact stretches the imagination, like ancient myths of gods among the stars. The question sways softly, a quiet riddle that calms the soul. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of its origins wraps around us, a starry veil that eases us toward sleep. The thought of 3I-ATLAS as a cosmic traveler, natural or crafted, lingers, lulling us with visions of distant worlds and their secrets drifting through the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Imagine listening for a whisper in the cosmic void, seeking the voice of 3I-ATLAS. No radio signals emerge, yet its silence intrigues, like a locked book waiting to be opened. This recalls SETI's search for alien signals, like the fleeting WOW signal of 1977, which stirred hopes of contact. Could 3I-ATLAS be a silent probe, or merely a quiet rock drifting through our system? The absence of signals feels like a gentle tide, pulling us toward restful wonder. Scientists continue passive observations, their telescopes tuned for any faint transmission. The debate sways softly. Is its silence a sign of natural simplicity, or a deliberate choice by an advanced design? The thought hums gently, a starry puzzle that soothes the mind. Picture astronomers scanning the heavens, their instruments poised for a cosmic whisper that never comes. This mirrors the quiet vigil for pulsars, once mistaken for noise until their rhythm was understood. If 3I-ATLAS is artificial, its silence could be strategic. As Loeb posits, if natural, it's just another mute wanderer in the void. The mystery wraps around us, a soft enigma that calms the soul. Could a signal still emerge? Or is its silence its message? The question lingers, like a distant melody, easing us into dreams. As we drift towards sleep, the enigma of 3IATLAS's silence soothes us, a quiet riddle inviting visions of cosmic books and their untold stories. The thought of listening to the stars lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the secrets of a silent traveler. Solar wind is like a cosmic breeze, a stream of particles pushing through the void, shaping the paths of dust and objects alike. 3IATLAS, bathed in this invisible current, might shift slightly, like a sailboat caught in a sudden gust. This recalls solar sails, spacecraft propelled by the gentle pressure of sunlight, gliding through space with grace. Could this cosmic wind explain the odd wobble in 3IATLAS's path? Or is something stranger at work? The mystery wraps us in a soothing blanket, a starry veil that stirs wonder. Picture 3IATLAS drifting through the solar system, its trajectory nudged by the sun's relentless breath. This mirrors the subtle shifts of comets, their tails sculpted by solar wind into glowing arcs. The faint changes in its course feel like a whisper, a clue to unseen forces at play. Could radiation pressure, like that shaping comet Halley's tail, be guiding this wanderer? The thought hums softly, a gentle pulse in the night, calming the mind with its enigma. Scientists watch closely, seeking signs of environmental influence in its erratic motion. The possibility feels profound, like ancient mariners reading winds to navigate uncharted seas. The question of what steers 3IATLAS lingers, a quiet riddle that soothes the soul. As we lie beneath the starry sky, the mystery of its path invites dreams of cosmic breezes and wandering sails. The thought of solar wind shaping its journey eases us into sleep, lulling us with visions of a traveler dancing through the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Picture 3IATLAS as a metallic shard, tugged by invisible magnetic threads weaving through our solar system. Faint magnetic fields, like those sparking auroras on Earth, might interact with its surface, subtly altering its course. Could this explain its unexpected linger? Idea of a guided object fit better? The question sways gently, like a cosmic lullaby, soothing the mind with its mystery. Scientists debate whether magnetic interactions, faint but persistent, could nudge 3IATLAS, especially if its surface holds metallic traces. Others, like Loeb, imagine a crafted object responding to these fields with purpose. This recalls ancient compasses, guiding explorers across vast oceans with invisible forces. The faint shifts in 3IATLAS's path feel like a signal, a clue to its nature. Could it be a natural rock, reacting to the solar system's magnetic web? Or is it something designed, as Loeb suggests? The thought hums softly, a quiet puzzle that calms the soul. Picture a wanderer gliding through space, its surface glinting under unseen forces. This mirrors the auroras of Jupiter, shaped by magnetic fields interacting with charged particles. The mystery of 3IATLAS's potential magnetic dance wraps around us, a gentle enigma easing us toward rest. Is it a cosmic coincidence, or a sign of something greater? The debate lingers, like a starry breeze, pulling us into dreams. As we drift toward sleep, the thought of magnetic threads guiding this traveler soothes us, inviting visions of cosmic compasses and their silent pull. The enigma lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the secrets of a metallic wanderer. Orbital models are like cosmic maps, charting paths through the stars with the precision of mathematics. Simulations of 3IATLAS's trajectory suggest it could linger in our solar system, caught in a delicate gravitational balance. This recalls the Trojan asteroids, trapped in Jupiter's orbit, sharing its journey for millennia. Could 3IATLAS find a similar haven, a natural capture by the sun or planets? Or might it be engineered to stay, defying its hyperbolic origins? The debate hums softly, a gentle rhythm in the cosmic night, stirring wonder as we ponder. Picture 3I-ATLAS weaving through the solar system, its path a dance guided by unseen forces. This mirrors the stable orbits of Lagrange points, where objects rest in gravitational harmony. If it stays, is it a cosmic fluke? A quirk of physics? Or does Loeb's bold idea of artificial design hold truth? The thought feels profound, like a starry whisper, soothing the mind with its enigma. Scientists explore these models, seeking clues to its future in our system. The possibility of long-term stability stretches the imagination, like ancient astronomers mapping the heavens. The question of its orbit lingers, a quiet riddle that calms the soul. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of 3I-ATLAS's potential home wraps around us, a gentle puzzle easing us toward sleep. The thought of a cosmic map guiding this traveler lulls us, inviting dreams of stable orbits and starry havens in the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. Imagine 3I-ATLAS as a dancer in a cosmic waltz, its steps uncertain yet graceful in the starry void. Simulations in 2024 offer multiple paths. It might loop near Jupiter's orbit or drift outward into the abyss. This mirrors the chaotic orbits of comets like Hyakutake, whose unpredictable paths captivated skywatchers in 1996. Could 3I-ATLAS settle into our system, or vanish back into the interstellar void? The uncertainty feels like a gentle wave, soothing the mind with its mystery. The faint shifts in its trajectory spark debate. Is it a natural object caught in a cosmic dance? Or does it follow a designed path? As Loeb suggests, the thought hums softly, a starry puzzle that calms the soul. Picture 3I-ATLAS weaving through the stars, its future a tapestry of possibilities. This recalls the erratic path of Comet Halley, whose orbit shifts with each pass. Scientists ponder whether gravitational nudges will anchor it here, or if it will slip away. The question sways gently, like a cosmic breeze, pulling us toward dreams. Could these models hide a deeper truth? Or are they merely the whims of the universe? The mystery wraps around us, a quiet enigma easing us into rest. As we drift toward sleep, the thought of 3I-ATLAS's uncertain orbit soothes us, a gentle rhythm inviting visions of cosmic dances and starry paths. The enigma of its future lingers, lulling us with dreams of a wanderer finding its place among the stars or fading into the vast, uncharted reaches of the galaxy. The solar system is a delicate dance, with planets and asteroids moving in cosmic harmony. If 3I-ATLAS stayed, as suggested, it might nudge smaller bodies, like a new guest unsettling a crowded table. This recalls Jupiter's mighty gravity, scattering asteroids in the belt, reshaping their paths over eons. Could 3I-ATLAS, with its interstellar origins, perturb nearby comets or asteroids, altering their orbits? Or might it be a deliberate visitor, designed to influence our system? The thought hums softly, a soothing rhythm that stirs wonder. Picture this wanderer drifting among our planets, its presence a subtle ripple in the cosmic tide. Scientists debate whether its gravitational influence could cascade, like a pebble disturbing a pond's surface. This mirrors the chaos caused by comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, whose fragments collided with Jupiter in 1994, leaving scars. If 3I-ATLAS lingers, is it a natural disruptor, a cosmic accident? Or could it carry intent? As Loeb imagines, the question sways gently, a starry puzzle that calms the mind. The possibility of change in our solar system feels profound. Like ancient mariners sensing a shift in the winds, the thought wraps around us, a quiet enigma, easing us toward sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of 3I-ATLAS's impact soothes us, inviting dreams of cosmic dances and shifting orbits. The idea of a new object joining our system lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with visions of stars and their delicate, ever-changing balance. Picture 3I-ATLAS as a pebble dropped in a cosmic pond, its ripples touching distant orbits over millennia. Its presence could affect long-term orbital stability, like comets from the Oort cloud nudged by passing stars. Is it a natural disruptor, altering paths with its faint gravity? Idea of intentional design fit. A crafted object meant to linger. The question drifts gently, like a soft tide, calming the mind with its mystery. Simulation suggests subtle shifts in nearby orbits, a sign of 3I-ATLAS's influence. This echoes ancient skies, where comets like Halley's were seen as omens, their paths sparking awe and fear. Could 3I-ATLAS reshape our solar system's delicate balance, sending asteroids on new trajectories? Scientists debate whether these effects are natural, like gravitational tugs from Jupiter, or something more. As Loeb proposes, the thought hums softly, a starry riddle that soothes the soul. Picture a cosmic web, its threads vibrating with the presence of this wanderer. The mystery of its long-term impact feels like a gentle wave, pulling us toward dreams. Could it destabilize orbits, or is it a silent observer? As Loeb imagines, this recalls the slow drift of Trojan asteroids. Trapped yet influential in Jupiter's orbit, the question lingers. A quiet pulse in the night, easing us into rest as we drift toward sleep. The enigma of 3I-ATLAS's influence wraps around us, a soothing puzzle inviting visions of cosmic ripples and shifting stars. The thought of a new object altering our system lulls us, carrying us into a night of wonder in the secrets of an interstellar guest. Staying 3I-ATLAS is like a book left open, its pages inviting scientists to read its cosmic story. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope could probe its surface, much like Rosetta's detailed study of Comet 67P revealed a rugged, alien world. This lingering interstellar visitor offers a rare chance to explore a traveler from beyond our solar system. What secrets hide in its dust? Its shine. The opportunity feels like a gentle gift, soothing our curiosity as we ponder. Picture astronomers tuning their instruments, capturing light from 3I-ATLAS to decode its composition. This mirrors the Hubble's glimpses of distant galaxies, unveiling their hidden truths. The faint glow of 3I-ATLAS hints at mysteries, its surface possibly holding exotic materials or unknown structures. Could it carry traces of alien minerals? Or something stranger still? The thought hums softly, a starry pulse that calms the mind. The chance to study an interstellar object up close feels profound, like explorers finding a relic from an uncharted land. Scientists dream of spectra revealing carbon compounds or metallic glints, each clue a step toward understanding its origins. The mystery wraps around us, a quiet enigma that eases us toward sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the opportunity to probe 3I-ATLAS soothes us, inviting dreams of cosmic books and their untold tales. The thought of unlocking its secrets lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with visions of telescopes piercing the void, chasing the whispers of a wanderer from the stars. Imagine 3I-ATLAS as a cosmic treasure chest, its contents a mystery waiting to be unlocked. A close study, perhaps by a probe, could reveal exotic isotopes or signs of alien technology. This recalls meteorites like Murchison, which carried amino acids hinting at life's origins beyond Earth. Could 3I-ATLAS hold similar clues, fragments of alien worlds, or even crafted structures? The possibility sways gently, a soft lullaby of the stars, stirring wonder as we drift. Scientists debate whether a mission would find natural materials, like carbon compounds, or evidence of design. As Loeb suggests, the thought hums softly, a starry puzzle that calms the soul. Picture a spacecraft gliding toward 3I-ATLAS, its cameras capturing every glint and shadow. This mirrors the OSIRIS-REx mission, which unveiled asteroid Bennu's secrets in vivid detail. The faint signals from 3IATLAS's surface feel like a whisper, a clue to its nature. Could it carry the chemistry of a distant star? Or a message from an alien mind? The question lingers, a quiet tide pulling us toward dreams. The mystery of what a probe might find wraps around us, a gentle enigma easing us into rest. Is it a natural relic or a crafted beacon? As Loeb imagines, the thought soothes us, like a cosmic breeze, inviting visions of cosmic treasures and their secrets. As we drift towards sleep, the possibility of discovering alien materials lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of truths hidden in the starry depths. Science thrives on questions, and 3IATLAS poses a profound one. Why does it stay? Its lingering presence. Observed challenges our understanding of interstellar objects, much like Oumuamua did in 2017. This recalls Copernicus, who upended the idea that Earth was the universe's center, sparking debates that reshaped our worldview. If 3IATLAS is natural, what cosmic laws govern its unexpected stay? If artificial, what does that mean for humanity's place in the cosmos? The thought ripples softly, a starry pulse inviting calm reflection. Picture this wanderer pausing in our solar system, its presence a mirror for our curiosity. Scientists debate whether its stay is a fluke of gravity or a sign of deliberate design. The question feels profound, like ancient philosophers pondering the star's purpose. Could 3IATLAS be a random traveler, caught by chance, or a crafted probe watching us? The debate hums gently, a quiet riddle that soothes the mind. This mirrors the upheaval of Galileo's telescope, revealing moons orbiting Jupiter, challenging old beliefs. The possibility that 3IATLAS defies our expectations stretches the imagination, like a dream unfolding under the night sky. The thought wraps around us, a gentle enigma calming the soul. As we lie beneath the stars, the mystery of its stay invites us to ponder our place in the universe. The question of what it means lingers, easing us into sleep with visions of cosmic travelers and the laws that guide them. Picture 3IATLAS as a cosmic mirror, reflecting our deepest questions about the universe. Its stay, whether natural or not, asks, are we alone? This echoes ancient stargazers, who saw the heavens as a canvas for gods and stories. Could 3IATLAS be a signpost from another world? Or just a random rock caught in our system? The mystery hums softly, a gentle wave easing us into dreams. Its unexplained presence feels like a signal, a clue to our place in the cosmos. Scientists debate whether it's a natural wanderer, shaped by distant stars, or a crafted object with purpose. The thought sways gently, like a starry breeze, calming the mind with its enigma. This recalls the philosophical debate sparked by pulsars, once thought to be alien signals, their rhythmic pulses stirring wonder. Could 3IATLAS hold answers to our solitude? Or is it a silent traveler, indifferent to our gaze? The question lingers, a quiet pulse in the night, soothing the soul. Picture humanity staring upward, pondering if this object watches us back. The mystery of its purpose wraps around us, a gentle riddle inviting rest. Is it a cosmic accident, or a beacon from beyond? The thought soothes us, like a lullaby of the stars, pulling us toward dreams. As we drift toward sleep, the enigma of 3IATLAS's stay calms us, carrying us into a night filled with visions of cosmic mirrors and the timeless question of our place among the stars. As these questions drift quietly through the night, let your own reflections find a place here. Subscribe to Cosmic Sleep Science for more gentle explorations, where science becomes philosophy and wonder softens into rest beneath the stars. As these questions drift quietly through the night, let your own reflections find a place here. Subscribe to Cosmic Sleep Science for more gentle explorations, where science becomes philosophy and wonder softens into rest beneath the stars. Some astronomers see 3I/ATLAS as more than a cosmic rock, its strange path and reflective shine suggesting a technological origin, perhaps a solar sail from a distant civilization. Telescopes reveal its peculiar behavior, echoing debate sparked by Oumuamua's odd motion. Picture 3I/ATLAS gliding through the stars, its surface catching light like a sail in a cosmic wind. If it's artificial, what purpose does it hold? A probe exploring our system, a relic from a lost world, or something stranger? The idea sways gently, a starry whisper soothing the mind. This hypothesis challenges norms. Much like Galileo's telescope reshaped views of the heavens, scientists debate whether its quirks fit a natural comet or a crafted design. The thought feels profound, like a riddle unfolding in the night sky. Could 3I/ATLAS be a message from the cosmos, sent across the galaxy to reach us? Or is it an oddity, shaped by natural forces? The question hums softly, a gentle pulse pulling us toward dreams. Picture a distant civilization launching a craft to wander the stars. Now pausing in our solar system, the possibility wraps around us, a quiet enigma calming the soul. This mirrors early speculations about pulsars. Once thought to be alien signals, the debate over its nature stirs wonder, like ancient myths of celestial visitors. As we lie beneath the night sky, the thought of an artificial 3I/ATLAS lingers, easing us into sleep with visions of cosmic sails drifting through the vast, uncharted reaches of the universe. Imagine 3I/ATLAS as a silent enigma, its purpose hidden in the cosmic dark. No evidence confirms an artificial origin, yet its trajectory wobbles keep the mystery alive. This mirrors SETI's quest for alien signals, listening to the stars but hearing only silence. Could 3I/ATLAS be a dormant craft, waiting to reveal itself? Or is it a natural oddity, its quirks mere tricks of physics? The silence feels like a soft tide, pulling us toward restful wonder. Scientists scan for radio signals, finding none, yet the object's strange behavior fuels debate. Picture a probe adrift, its systems quiet, blending into the starry void. This recalls the WOW signal, a fleeting burst that sparked dreams of contact. The absence of signals from 3I/ATLAS stirs curiosity, like a locked book with no key. Could subtle clues, hidden in its path, point to design? Or do they reflect natural processes, like outgassing? The question sways gently, a starry puzzle soothing the mind. Some envision a crafted object drifting silently, while others argue for simplicity. The thought wraps around us, a quiet enigma calming the soul. This mirrors debates over early radio bursts, dismissed until their nature was clear. The mystery of 3I/ATLAS's silence soothes us, like a cosmic whisper inviting visions of dormant crafts and silent stars. As we drift toward sleep, the enigma lingers, lulling us into a night filled with wonder and the secrets of a traveler that may hold more than meets the eye. Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor, moved with a strangeness that defied physics, inspiring theories about 3I/ATLAS. The two share quirks, like siblings from the cosmic void. Their odd shine and unpredictable paths spark wonder, much like early comet sightings mistaken for divine omens in ancient skies. Picture 3I/ATLAS gliding through our solar system, its reflective surface catching starlight in ways that puzzle astronomers. This recalls the fascination with Oumuamua, whose elongated form and erratic motion hinted at secrets beyond our grasp. What else drifts out there, unseen in the vastness of space? The mystery hums softly, a gentle cosmic lullaby soothing the mind. Both objects challenge our understanding, their behaviors defying norms of comets and asteroids. Could 3I/ATLAS, like its predecessor, carry clues to distant worlds? The thought feels profound, like a starry whisper stirring the soul. Scientists study its faint glow, seeking signs of its nature, just as they chased Oumuamua's fleeting light. The question of what these wanderers are lingers, a quiet riddle calming us as we ponder. Picture ancient stargazers, awed by a comet's glow, unsure of its meaning. The strange dance of 3I invites similar awe, a cosmic puzzle easing us toward sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the mystery of its connection to Oumuamua wraps around us, lulling us with visions of interstellar siblings and their silent journeys through the starry void. Picture 3I gliding without a comet's glowing tail, like a ghost ship sailing the cosmic sea. This trait, shared with Oumuamua, puzzles scientists, as both lack the dusty tails typical of interstellar comets. Could they be rocky fragments, shaped by distant stars? Or does the idea of crafted objects, designed to drift silently, fit better? The question soothes, like a gentle wave easing us to sleep. The absence of a tail feels like a clue, a whisper from the stars. Scientists debate whether this points to a natural origin, like a dense asteroid, or something artificial. This echoes ancient myths of star wanderers, celestial beings moving without trace. Picture 3I and Oumuamua as silent travelers. Their lack of commentary features a riddle that stirs wonder. Could they be relics of cosmic collisions, or probes sent to explore? The thought hums softly, a starry puzzle calming the mind. This recalls the debate over Oumuamua's acceleration, unexplained by typical comet behavior. The mystery of 3IATLAS's tailless glide wraps around us, a quiet enigma soothing the soul. If natural, what processes stripped its dust? If artificial, what purpose hides in its silence? The question lingers, a cosmic melody pulling us toward dreams. As we drift toward sleep, the enigma of these tailless wanderers lulls us, inviting visions of ghost ships and starry myths. The thought of 3I echoing Oumuamua's strangeness calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the secrets of silent travelers in the cosmic void. Science is a chorus of voices, and bold claims about 3I often stand alone. Most astronomers reject the artificial origin theory, favoring a natural explanation, like a comet or asteroid fragment. They see 3I as one of countless cosmic rocks, shaped by stellar forces. This recalls debates over Martian canals. Once thought to be artificial, later proven natural. If the artificial theory is wrong, what explains 3IATLAS's strange path and shine? If it's right, what shifts in our view of the cosmos? The debate hums softly, a gentle rhythm inviting reflection. Picture scientists gathered around data, arguing over the object's nature, like astronomers debating comets centuries ago. The hypothesis of a crafted probe challenges the mainstream view, stirring both skepticism and curiosity. The thought feels profound, like a starry riddle soothing the mind. Could 3I be a simple rock? Its anomalies mere quirks? Or does it hide a deeper truth? The question sways gently, a cosmic puzzle calming the soul. This mirrors the skepticism faced by early radio astronomers, dismissed until pulsars proved their claims. The scientific chorus weighs evidence, seeking clarity in 3IATLAS's behavior. As we lie beneath the night sky, the debate over its origins wraps around us, a quiet enigma easing us toward sleep. The thought of a lone voice challenging the stars lulls us, inviting dreams of cosmic truths and the courage to question the unknown. Imagine 3IATLAS as a locked book, its story hidden from skeptical eyes. Critics demand hard evidence, like radio signals or clear signs of design, finding none in 3IATLAS's faint glow. This mirrors skepticism over UFO sightings, dismissed without concrete proof, yet fueling endless debate. Could subtle clues, like its odd trajectory, hide in plain sight? Or is it merely a rock? As most argue, the uncertainty sways gently, a starry wave easing us into dreams. The absence of signals feels like a whisper, a puzzle that stirs wonder. Scientists scan for transmissions, finding only silence. Yet some see purpose in the object's quirks. Picture astronomers sifting data, seeking shapes or patterns that might prove designs. This recalls the search for extraterrestrial signals, where every anomaly sparks hope. The mystery of 3IATLAS's nature hums softly, a quiet riddle calming the mind. Could its silence mask a crafted origin, or is it a natural wanderer, indifferent to our gaze? The thought wraps around us, a gentle enigma soothing the soul. Critics argue for simplicity, yet the object's anomalies linger, like a faint melody in the night. The question of what 3IATLAS hides pulls us toward rest, inviting visions of locked books and cosmic secrets as we drift toward sleep. The debate over its nature lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the possibility of truths waiting in the starry void. Tracking 3IATLAS feels like following a bird veering off its expected path. Its trajectory shifts unpredictably, defying standard orbital models. Much like Oumuamua's surprising sprint through our system, this recalls comets with sudden gas jets, nudging their courses in unexpected ways. What drives these unusual deviations? Are they caused by natural forces, like vaporizing ice? Or could there be intent behind its wandering? As some propose, the question weaves a gentle lullaby, easing the mind into quiet wonder. Picture this object gliding through space, its path a puzzle that resists simple answers. Astronomers observe its wobbles, each shift a hint of hidden forces at play. This mirrors ancient navigators charting stars, puzzled by a comet's erratic arc. Could 3IATLAS be pushed by unseen currents, or does it follow a deliberate route? The thought stirs softly, like a breeze through the night sky, calming the soul. Scientists ponder whether outgassing or gravitational tugs explain its behavior. Yet the possibility of something more lingers. The object's strange dance feels like a whisper, inviting reflection as we rest. Imagine lying beneath a canopy of stars, tracing this traveler's path in your mind. Its deviations spark curiosity, a quiet riddle that soothes with its unanswered questions. The idea of an object defying expectations pulls us gently toward sleep, weaving dreams of wandering birds and their unpredictable flights through the vast, starry expanse. The notion of 3IATLAS as a visitor with secrets calms us, guiding us into a night filled with visions of unseen paths and distant realms. Picture 3IATLAS, drifting like a leaf on unseen winds, its path bending in ways that challenge explanation. Non-gravitational forces, such as outgassing or magnetic pulls, might account for its odd behavior. Some propose advanced technology guides it, while others argue for cometary jets, like those seen in Halley's Comet. This recalls Voyager's unexpected drifts, puzzling scientists with subtle deviations. What steers this interstellar traveler? The question flows softly, a gentle pulse calming the mind. Astronomers debate whether natural processes, like vaporizing materials, cause its wobbles, or if a crafted design could be at play. The thought weaves a tranquil riddle, easing us into reflection. Imagine a leaf caught in a stream, its course altered by invisible currents. The absence of clear answers stirs wonder, like ancient tales of omens in the sky. Could 3IATLAS be a natural fragment, pushed by cosmic forces, or does it hint at something purposeful? As some suggest, the debate hums quietly, a soothing note in the night. Scientists study its trajectory, seeking clues in each shift, yet the enigma persists. The idea of unseen forces guiding its path feels like a whisper, inviting restful thoughts. Picture stargazers pondering a comet's strange arc, unsure of its meaning. The possibility of intentional motion lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. As we drift to sleep, the puzzle of 3IATLAS's path soothes us, weaving visions of leaves adrift on starry currents. The thought of its mysterious guidance calms the soul, carrying us into a night of wonder and unanswered questions. Albedo measures how brightly an object reflects light, and 3IATLAS shines with unusual intensity, like a polished gem in the void. It outglows typical comets, sparking curiosity. This recalls Sirius's bright spots, which baffled astronomers with their unexpected brilliance. Could its surface be coated in reflective ice, metallic layers, or something crafted? As some propose, the idea drifts gently, a tranquil wave easing us toward sleep. Picture this object catching starlight, its gleam a puzzle that defies simple answers. Scientists debate whether its high albedo points to natural materials, like frozen gases, or an artificial design. The thought weaves a quiet enigma, calming the mind with its possibilities. This mirrors the discovery of Europa's icy crust, its shine hinting at hidden oceans. Could 3IATLAS bear similar natural features, or does it suggest a constructed surface? The question stirs softly, like a breeze under the stars, soothing the soul. Astronomers analyze its light, seeking clues to its makeup. Yet the answer remains elusive. The notion of an unusual surface feels like a whisper, inviting restful reflection. Imagine explorers finding a gleaming relic, unsure of its origin. The debate over its composition hums quietly, a gentle note in the night. The possibility of alien materials lingers, pulling us toward dreams. As we lie beneath the night sky, the puzzle of 3IATLAS's shine calms us, weaving visions of polished gems and their secrets. The thought of its radiant surface soothes the mind, guiding us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of distant truths. Imagine 3IATLAS as a canvas painted with hues from another star system. Its spectral data hints at materials unlike our asteroids, possibly metals or organic compounds. This recalls meteorites like Murchison, bearing rare isotopes that spoke of distant origins. Could this object be a natural relic, or does an artificial origin fit better? The question flows gently, lulling us into quiet wonder. Scientists study its light, seeking traces of exotic elements, yet the data remains inconclusive. Some argue for a rocky fragment, shaped by a far-off star, while others entertain the idea of a crafted surface. The thought weaves a tranquil puzzle, easing the mind into reflection. Picture a canvas glowing under starlight, its colors a mystery to unravel. This mirrors the analysis of Martian meteorites, which hinted at life's building blocks. Could 3IATLAS carry similar clues, or does it conceal a design structure? The debate hums softly, a soothing note calming the soul. The faint spectral signals feel like whispers, hinting at secrets yet to be unveiled. The possibility of alien materials stirs curiosity, like ancient alchemists seeking unknown substances. The question lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Imagine astronomers peering through telescopes, chasing the light of a distant traveler. The enigma of its composition soothes us, inviting restful thoughts of starry canvases and their tales. As we drift to sleep, the puzzle of 3IATLAS's materials calms the mind, weaving visions of alien hues and cosmic origins. The thought of its unique makeup guides us into a night filled with wonder and unanswered questions. Active signals shout across the void, but passive technology whispers, waiting to be discovered. Some suggest 3IATLAS could carry dormant systems, like a sleeping probe from a distant world. This recalls Voyager's golden records, silent until found by an unknown explorer. Could this object hold hidden mechanisms, waiting for the right moment? The possibility sways gently, a tranquil note easing the mind. Picture 3I-ATLAS drifting through space, its surface hiding quiet technology. No signals have been detected. Yet the idea of a passive craft stirs wonder. This mirrors the search for ancient artifacts, buried with secrets yet to be unlocked. Could its silence conceal a purpose, or is it merely a lifeless rock? The thought hums softly, like a breeze through the stars. Calming the soul, scientists scan its faint glow, seeking hints of something more, but find only quiet. The notion of a dormant system feels like a whisper, inviting restful reflection. Imagine explorers finding a sealed relic, unsure if it holds treasure or stone. The possibility of hidden technology lingers, a gentle riddle soothing us as we rest. This recalls early SETI efforts, listening for signals that never came. The question of what 3I-ATLAS might hide pulls us toward dreams, weaving visions of silent probes and starry secrets as we lie beneath the night sky. The idea of a sleeping craft calms us, guiding us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of unseen mechanisms waiting in the void. Picture 3I-ATLAS as a dancer, its steps seeming too precise for mere chance. Its trajectory tweaks suggest guidance, perhaps from technology, or simply natural forces. Some propose a crafted object steering itself, while others see outgassing or gravitational nudges. This echoes sci-fi tales of silent ships gliding through the void. What directs this traveler's path? The thought ripples softly, easing us into quiet wonder. Scientists debate whether its behavior reflects natural processes, like cometary jets, or something purposeful. The faint shifts in its course feel like clues, hints of a story yet to unfold. Picture a dancer moving with intent, each step a mystery to decipher. This recalls the Pioneer anomaly, where probes veered slightly, defying predictions. Could 3I-ATLAS be controlled, or is it adrift in cosmic currents? The question hums gently, a tranquil puzzle calming the soul. The possibility of guided motion stirs curiosity, like ancient navigators reading stars for direction. The debate weaves a soothing note, inviting restful reflection. Imagine astronomers tracking its path, pondering if it moves with purpose or chance. The enigma of its motion lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Could it be a natural wanderer? Or does it carry a hidden design? The thought soothes the mind, weaving visions of dancers gliding through starry voids. As we drift to sleep, the puzzle of 3I-ATLAS's precise steps calms us, guiding us into a night filled with wonder and the possibility of silent ships navigating the cosmic sea. Interstellar objects were once seen as rare rocks, drifting from distant stars. Theories sparked by 3I-ATLAS challenge this view, suggesting some may be more than natural debris. This recalls early telescopes revealing planets as worlds, not mere lights. If these ideas hold, how many visitors might be artificial, if mistaken? What defines these wanderers? The thought weaves a gentle rhythm, soothing the mind with its questions. Picture 3I-ATLAS gliding through space, its odd path prompting new classification. Scientists debate whether it's a comet, an asteroid, or something crafted. The notion feels profound, like a shift in how we map the stars. This mirrors the redefinition of comets. Once omens, now studied as icy relics, could 3I-ATLAS force us to rethink interstellar travelers? The question hums softly, a quiet pulse easing us toward rest. Imagine astronomers redrawing cosmic boundaries, their charts evolving with each discovery. The possibility of a new category stirs wonder, like ancient scholars rethinking the heavens. The debate over its nature feels like a whisper, calming the soul with its unanswered riddle. Some argue for simplicity, seeing it as a rock from afar, while others ponder designed origins. The thought of redefining the cosmos lingers, a tranquil wave pulling us toward dreams. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of new classification soothes us, inviting visions of starry maps and their secrets. The notion of 3IATLAS as a catalyst for change guides us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of new cosmic truths. Imagine 3IATLAS as the first of many, each a piece of a larger puzzle. Its anomalies, like an unexpected shine, might redefine what we call natural. This mirrors Pluto's reclassification, once a planet, now a dwarf, shaking astronomy's foundations. Could this object be a probe, as some hope, or a new type of comet? The question flows gently, a soothing tide easing us to sleep. Picture future discoveries reshaping our view, each visitor a clue to the universe's rules. Scientists debate whether 3IATLAS fits known categories or demands a new one. The thought stirs quietly, like a breeze through the stars, calming the mind. This recalls the discovery of exoplanets, expanding our sense of what's possible. Could its quirks point to artificial design, or do they reveal a natural class we've missed? The possibility hums softly, a tranquil note inviting reflection. Astronomers watch its path, seeking signs that challenge old definitions. The idea of a shifting paradigm feels like a whisper, soothing the soul with its potential. Imagine a future where interstellar objects blur the line between rock and relic. The debate over its nature lingers, a gentle wave guiding us toward dreams. Could 3IATLAS herald a new era of cosmic understanding? The thought weaves a peaceful riddle, easing us into rest. As we drift to sleep, the notion of redefining the stars calms us, inviting visions of puzzle pieces falling into place. The idea of a new cosmic order lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of redefined heavens. SETI scans the stars for signals, but 3IATLAS suggests searching for physical objects instead. Like finding a message in a bottle washed ashore, it could reshape astrobiology's quest for life. This recalls the hunt for Martian microbes, which broadened our search for alien traces. What else drifts out there, silent and waiting to be found? The thought weaves a tranquil lullaby, soothing the mind with its possibilities. Picture telescopes turning from radio waves to interstellar wanderers, seeking clues in their forms. The idea of 3IATLAS as a potential artifact stirs wonder, like explorers spotting a relic in the sea. Could it carry hints of alien technology? Or is it merely a rock? The question hums softly, a gentle pulse calming the soul. This mirrors the discovery of amino acids in meteorites, hinting at life's origins beyond Earth. The notion of physical objects as signs of intelligence feels profound, easing us into reflection. Astronomers ponder what other visitors might reveal, their paths a map to distant worlds. The possibility of a new search method lingers, a quiet whisper inviting rest. Imagine a future where astrobiology seeks not just signals, but silent travelers. The thought of 3IATLAS sparking this shift soothes us, guiding us toward dreams. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of searching for objects calms us, weaving visions of cosmic bottles and their hidden messages. The notion of a new hunt for life lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of starry discoveries. Picture 3IATLAS as a silent sentinel, its purpose veiled in shadow. No confirmed technosignatures emerge, yet telescopes keep watch, seeking faint clues. This echoes the wow. Signal, a brief pulse that stirred hopes of contact. Could this object be a probe? Or is it just a wandering rock? The question flows gently, a tranquil tide easing us into dreams. Scientists debate whether its quirks, like an odd path, hint at technology or natural forces. The thought weaves a soothing puzzle, calming the mind with its uncertainty. Imagine astronomers scanning the void, hoping for a sign that never comes. This recalls early SETI efforts, where silence sparked both doubt and curiosity. Could 3I-ATLAS hold a hidden design? Or is it a natural fragment? The possibility hums softly. A quiet note inviting reflection. The absence of signals feels like a whisper, stirring wonder as we rest. Some argue for simplicity, seeing only cosmic debris, while others seek evidence of intent. The debate over its nature lingers, a gentle wave guiding us towards sleep. Picture a sentinel drifting through space, its silence a riddle to unravel. The idea of an intensified search for technosignatures soothes us, weaving visions of starry watches and their secrets. The thought of 3I-ATLAS as a catalyst for discovery calms the soul, easing us into a night filled with wonder. As we drift to sleep, the possibility of finding alien traces lulls us, carrying us into dreams of silent sentinels in the vast, uncharted reaches of the stars. Science thrives on spirited debate, and ideas about 3I-ATLAS ignite both excitement and doubt. Like Oumuamua, this object stirs public wonder and scientific scrutiny, challenging old assumptions. This recalls Einstein's relativity, once questioned, now a cornerstone of physics. If artificial origins hold, what shifts in our view of the cosmos? If mistaken, what lessons emerge? The debate weaves a gentle rhythm, inviting quiet reflection. Picture astronomers and enthusiasts arguing over data, their voices echoing across journals and forums. The notion of a crafted object sparks awe. While skeptics demand proof, the thought feels profound, like a shift in how we see the stars. This mirrors debates over pulsars, once dismissed as noise, later revealed as cosmic beacons. Could 3I-ATLAS be a natural rock, or does it hide a deeper truth? The question hums softly, a tranquil pulse calming the soul. Scientists weigh its quirks against known physics, seeking clarity in its path. The possibility of a paradigm shift lingers, a quiet whisper easing us toward rest. Imagine a world rethinking its place, sparked by a single visitor. The debate over its nature feels like a breeze, soothing the mind with its unanswered riddle. As we lie beneath the night sky, the clash of ideas calms us, weaving visions of starry arguments and their revelations. The thought of 3I-ATLAS as a catalyst for debate lulls us, guiding us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of new truths. Imagine 3I-ATLAS as a spark, lighting up discussions on X and beyond. Posts and threads debate its nature, echoing 20th century UFO arguments that captivated the public. Is it a sign of alien life, as some propose, or a natural wonder shaped by distant stars? The chatter flows gently, a tranquil wave pulling us toward rest. Picture users sharing theories, some imagining probes, others citing comets. The absence of clear answers feels like a whisper, stirring wonder as we drift. This recalls the frenzy over Roswell, where speculation outpaced evidence. Could 3I-ATLAS hold a crafted secret, or is it merely cosmic debris? The question hums softly, a soothing note calming the soul. Scientists and enthusiasts alike ponder its path, seeking signs of intent or natural quirks. The debate weaves a peaceful riddle, easing us into reflection. Imagine a global conversation, voices united by a single object in the sky. The possibility of alien origins lingers, a quiet pulse inviting dreams. Some argue for simplicity, seeing a rock adrift, while others dream of technology from afar. The thought of public curiosity soothes us, like a breeze through the stars. This mirrors ancient gatherings under the night sky, debating comets as omens. The enigma of 3I-ATLAS's nature calms the mind, weaving visions of lively debates and starry wonders. As we drift to sleep, the chatter on X lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with the promise of cosmic truths and the spark of human curiosity. Interstellar space stretches like a vast ocean, and 3IATLAS drifts as a message from its depths. Its composition could unveil secrets of distant stellar nurseries, much like meteorites reveal Earth's ancient story. This recalls Voyager's journey beyond our system, carrying data from the unknown. What worlds gave birth to this traveler? The question weaves a gentle note, soothing the mind with its wonder. Picture 3IATLAS gliding through the void, its surface holding clues to far-off stars. Scientists study its faint glow, seeking traces of alien elements or structures. The thought feels profound, like a letter from a distant realm, stirring quiet reflection. This mirrors the discovery of cosmic dust, carrying isotopes from ancient supernovae. Could 3IATLAS tell us how stars form, or what lies between them? The idea hums softly, a tranquil pulse calming the soul. Imagine astronomers peering through telescopes, chasing hints of its origins in the starry sea. The possibility of unlocking interstellar secrets lingers, a whisper easing us toward rest. The object's journey feels like a tale, inviting dreams of distant nurseries and their creations. This recalls ancient mariners reading stars to navigate uncharted waters. The question of its birthplace sways gently, a soothing riddle guiding us to sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the thought of 3IATLAS as a cosmic messenger calms us, weaving visions of starry oceans and their hidden stories. The notion of peering into the void lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of distant truths. Picture 3IATLAS as a shard from a far-off star, its elements unlike those in our solar system. Its spectrum could confirm theories of diverse cosmic chemistry, like supernovas scattering unique materials across galaxies. Could it carry rare isotopes, or, as some hope, signs of technology? The question flows gently, a tranquil tide easing us to sleep. Scientists debate whether its makeup matches distant stellar debris or hints at artificial design. The thought weaves a soothing puzzle, calming the mind with its possibilities. This recalls ancient relics, like Egyptian artifacts, revealing lost cultures through their materials. Imagine 3IATLAS glowing with alien hues, its composition a clue to its origins. Could it be a natural fragment, or does an engineered structure fit better? The debate hums softly, a quiet note stirring reflection. The faint signals in its light feel like whispers, hinting at secrets yet to unfold. This mirrors the study of Martian meteorites, which sparked questions about life's origins. The possibility of unique materials lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Picture astronomers analyzing its spectrum, seeking answers in its glow. The idea of alien chemistry soothes the soul, inviting visions of starry forges and their creations. Some argue for natural origins, while others ponder crafted relics. The question of its makeup sways softly, a tranquil riddle guiding us to rest. As we drift to sleep, the notion of 3IATLAS's alien elements calms us, weaving dreams of distant stars and their legacies. The thought of cosmic chemistry lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and unanswered questions. Chasing 3IATLAS sharpens our tools, like a cosmic lens refining our view of the stars. Telescopes like JWST push their limits to capture its faint light, much like Hubble's upgrades unveil distant galaxies. If this object lingers, could new technology reveal its secrets? Or might it demand entirely new methods? As some suggest, the idea drifts gently, a soothing pulse easing us toward dreams. Picture astronomers upgrading instruments, their focus trained on a fleeting traveler. The thought feels profound, like a leap in how we explore the heavens. This recalls the development of radio telescopes, transforming our ability to hear the universe. Could 3IATLAS inspire breakthroughs in imaging or spectroscopy? The question hums softly, a quiet note calming the soul. Scientists debate whether current tools suffice or if novel designs are needed. The possibility of advancing technology stirs wonder. Like ancient scholars crafting lenses to see farther, imagine a future where sharper telescopes pierce the void, revealing 3IATLAS's nature. The notion of new tools feels like a whisper, soothing the mind with its promise. This mirrors the push for space probes, driven by the need to explore asteroids. The question of what technology might uncover lingers, a tranquil wave guiding us to rest. As we lie beneath the night sky, the thought of refining our cosmic lens calms us, weaving visions of starry breakthroughs and their revelations. The idea of new methods lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of sharper views into the universe. Imagine a probe racing to meet 3I-ATLAS, its design crafted for the unknown. Its challenges, like speed and distance, mirror those of interstellar probes in science fiction, pushing engineering to new heights. Could it uncover alien material or confirm theories of artificial design? The question sways gently, a soothing tide easing us into rest. Picture engineers dreaming up vessels to chase this wanderer, their plans bold and untested. This recalls humanity's leap to the moon. Driven by ambition and ingenuity, scientists debate whether a mission could reveal exotic compounds or natural debris. The thought weaves a tranquil puzzle, calming the mind with its possibilities. Could 3I-ATLAS demand lightweight probes, propelled by solar sails? The idea hums softly, a quiet note stirring reflection. This mirrors the design of Voyager, built to explore uncharted realms. The faint hints of its composition feel like whispers, hinting at what a probe might find. The possibility of innovative designs lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Imagine a spacecraft gliding through the void, its instruments seeking answers. Some argue for conventional probes, while others envision radical technology. The question of what we might build sways softly, a soothing riddle guiding us to sleep. Picture a future where bold designs chase interstellar visitors, unlocking their secrets. The thought of new engineering feats soothes the soul, weaving visions of probes racing through the stars. As we drift to sleep, the notion of chasing 3I-ATLAS calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of innovative journeys. Like a beacon in the void, 3I-ATLAS calls humanity to explore beyond our system. Its journey fuels dreams of missions like Breakthrough Starshot, aiming to send probes to nearby stars. This recalls Apollo's spark, igniting a passion for space travel. What frontiers await us in the starry expanse? The thought weaves a gentle lullaby, soothing the mind with its wonder. Picture scientists planning voyages to intercept future visitors, inspired by this object's path. The idea feels profound, like a map to uncharted realms. This mirrors the Voyager missions, which carried human hopes beyond our planets. Could 3I-ATLAS inspire fleets of probes to explore the interstellar sea? The question hums softly, a tranquil pulse calming the soul. Its presence stirs curiosity, like ancient explorers spotting a new horizon. Imagine a future where we chase distant wanderers, seeking their origins. The possibility of new missions lingers, a whisper easing us toward rest. The thought of 3I-ATLAS as a catalyst feels like a breeze, soothing the mind with its promise. This recalls the drive to reach Mars, sparked by telescopic glimpses. The question of what lies beyond sways gently, a soothing note guiding us to sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of exploring the stars calms us, weaving visions of bold voyages and their discoveries. The notion of new frontiers lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of distant journeys. Picture 3I-ATLAS as a challenge, daring humanity to chase its secrets. Its quirks, whether natural or designed, inspire bold mission proposals. Like comets once spurred ancient voyages, could we catch it, revealing answers to its nature? The question flows gently, a tranquil tide pulling us toward dreams. Scientists debate whether its anomalies demand fast probes or simple telescopes. The thought weaves a soothing puzzle, calming the mind with its possibilities. This recalls the race to study Halley's Comet, driving new spacecraft designs. Imagine engineers crafting probes to intercept 3IATLAS, their plans fueled by its odd path. Could it be a natural rock? Or, as some hope, a crafted relic? The idea hums softly, a quiet note stirring reflection. Its subtle shifts feel like whispers, hinting at secrets a mission might uncover. The possibility of bold exploration lingers, a gentle wave easing us into rest. This mirrors the ambition of Voyager's interstellar journey, pushing beyond known limits. Some argue for modest missions, while others dream of chasing distant visitors. The question of what we might find sways softly, a soothing riddle guiding us to sleep. Picture a probe racing through the void, seeking 3IATLAS's truth. The thought of daring missions soothes the soul, weaving visions of starry pursuits and their revelations. As we drift to sleep, the notion of chasing this wanderer calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of bold explorations. The Fermi paradox ponders why we see no alien life despite the universe's vastness. If 3IATLAS is artificial, as some argue, it could be a clue to other civilizations. This recalls SETI's decades-long search for signals, scanning the stars for a whisper. If it's a natural rock, what does its silence tell us? The question drifts gently, a soothing rhythm inviting reflection. Picture this object gliding through space, its nature a puzzle that challenges our solitude. Scientists debate whether it carries signs of design or merely cosmic debris. The thought feels profound, like a letter from the stars, stirring quiet wonder. This mirrors ancient stargazers questioning if the heavens held life. Could 3IATLAS be a crafted probe, or just another fragment adrift? The idea hums softly, a tranquil pulse calming the soul. Imagine humanity gazing upward, seeking answers in its faint glow. The possibility of contact lingers, a whisper easing us toward rest. The debate over its origins feels like a breeze, soothing the mind with its unanswered riddle. Some see it as a natural wanderer, while others dream of alien intent. The thought of resolving the paradox sways gently, guiding us to sleep. This recalls the hope sparked by Mars rovers, searching for traces of life. As we lie beneath the night sky, the notion of 3IATLAS as a clue to our solitude calms us, weaving visions of starry messages and their secrets. The idea of other worlds lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of answers beyond the stars. Imagine 3IATLAS as a mirror, reflecting our place in the vast universe. Its origin, whether natural or designed, asks if humanity stands alone. This echoes ancient philosophers gazing at stars, pondering our uniqueness. Could it be a crafted sign, as some hope, or a silent rock drifting through space? The thought flows gently, easing us toward sleep. Picture its faint shine sparking debates, each theory a thread in a starry tapestry. Scientists argue whether its quirks point to alien intent or natural processes. The question hums softly, a tranquil note stirring reflection. This recalls the search for exoplanets, each discovery fueling dreams of life elsewhere. Could 3IATLAS hold clues to other worlds, or is it merely cosmic debris? The possibility sways quietly, a soothing wave calming the soul. Its unexplained path feels like a whisper, hinting at truths yet to unfold. Imagine stargazers through history, wondering if the heavens held others. The debate over its nature lingers, a gentle pulse pulling us toward dreams. Some see a random traveler, while others envision a purposeful visitor. The thought of our cosmic solitude weaves a peaceful riddle, guiding us to rest. This mirrors the awe of discovering pulsars. Once thought to be alien signals, the question of whether we're alone soothes the mind, inviting visions of starry mirrors and their reflections. As we drift to sleep, the notion of 3I questioning our place calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the possibility of distant companions. 3I, a mere speck from distant stars, humbles us, like Voyager's pale blue dot showing Earth's fragility. Its journey across light years dwarfs our world, reminding us of our smallness. This recalls Galileo's telescope, revealing a universe far grander than imagined. What other travelers pass unseen in the vastness? The thought sways gently, a soothing note calming the mind. Picture this object drifting through space, its path a reminder of the universe's scale. Its faint glow stirs wonder, like a star whispering of distant realms. Scientists study its trajectory, seeking clues to its origins. The idea feels profound, like a glimpse of our place among the stars. This mirrors the Hubble's images, showing galaxies beyond our reach. Could 3I carry stories of far-off systems? Or is it a silent wanderer? The question hums softly, a tranquil pulse easing us toward rest. Imagine humanity gazing upward, awed by the immensity of the cosmos. The possibility of unseen visitors lingers, a whisper soothing the soul. The thought of our tiny world feels like a breeze, calming us with its vast perspective. This recalls ancient navigators, guided by stars to new horizons. The notion of 3I as a humbling traveler weaves a peaceful riddle, guiding us to sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of our smallness soothes us, weaving visions of starry expanses and their secrets. The thought of a grand universe lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of distant journeys. Picture 3I as a riddle, rewriting our map of the universe. Its stay, whether natural or designed, suggests the stars hold surprises. This mirrors Copernicus proving Earth orbits the Sun, reshaping our cosmic view. Could it be a crafted visitor, as some propose, or a random guest passing through? The question drifts gently, a soothing tide easing us to rest. Scientists debate whether its path challenges known physics or fits within it. The thought weaves a tranquil puzzle, calming the mind with its possibilities. Imagine its trajectory as a clue, hinting at rules we've yet to learn. This recalls the discovery of Neptune, predicted by unseen gravitational pulls. Could 3I reveal new cosmic laws? Or is it a fleeting anomaly? The idea hums softly, a quiet note stirring reflection. Its subtle quirks feel like whispers, suggesting the universe is stranger than we know. The possibility of new truths lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Some see it as a natural rock, while others ponder an artificial origin. The thought of a rewritten cosmos soothes the soul, inviting visions of starry maps and their secrets. Picture astronomers redrawing charts, inspired by this wanderer's path. The debate over its meaning sways quietly, a soothing riddle guiding us to sleep. This mirrors the shock of finding exoplanets, expanding our sense of possibility. As we drift to sleep, the notion of 3I reshaping our view calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of new cosmic truths. Science binds us in a shared quest, and 3I draws humanity together. Telescopes worldwide track its path, like Apollo uniting nations in a race to the moon. If it's artificial, as some suggest, could it inspire deeper unity? If natural, what lessons bring us closer? The thought weaves a gentle pulse, soothing the mind with its promise. Picture astronomers from every corner sharing data, their efforts focused on a single wanderer. The idea feels profound, like a bridge across cultures and borders. This recalls the global effort to map the human genome, uniting scientists for a common goal. Could 3IATLAS spark a new era of collaboration? Or teach us shared truths? The question hums softly, a tranquil note calming the soul. Scientists debate its nature, yet their work binds them in curiosity. The possibility of a unified pursuit lingers, a whisper easing us toward rest. Imagine nations joining hands, inspired by a visitor from the stars. The thought of global unity feels like a breeze, soothing us with its hope. This mirrors the International Space Station, a symbol of shared dreams. The notion of 3IATLAS as a unifier sways gently, guiding us to sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of a shared quest calms us, weaving visions of global telescopes and their discoveries. The thought of unity through science lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of collective exploration. Imagine 3IATLAS as a story shared across the globe, igniting wonder on X and beyond. Its enigma, like the moon landing, binds us in awe, sparking debates on its origins. Could it be a crafted signal, as some hope, or a natural marvel passing through? The chatter flows gently, a soothing tide easing us into sleep. Picture posts and threads buzzing with theories. From alien probes to cosmic rocks, the thought weaves a tranquil puzzle, calming the mind with its possibilities. This recalls the global excitement of Apollo 11, uniting millions in a shared moment. Could 3IATLAS inspire similar unity, or reveal shared truths? The question hums softly, a quiet note stirring reflection. Its faint glow feels like a whisper, hinting at secrets that captivate the world. The possibility of a global conversation lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. Scientists and enthusiasts debate its nature, their voices joining in curiosity. The thought of shared wonder soothes the soul, inviting visions of global discussions and starry marvels. This mirrors ancient gatherings under the night sky, united by comets and their tails. Some see a natural wanderer, while others dream of alien intent. The question of its meaning sways quietly, a soothing riddle guiding us to rest. As we drift to sleep, the notion of 3IATLAS uniting humanity calms us, weaving dreams of shared awe and global curiosity. The idea of a collective quest lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the promise of a united world. Like Apollo's lunar landings inspiring astronauts, 3IATLAS kindles dreams of exploring the stars. Its journey, now taught in classrooms, plants seeds for discoveries yet to come. Today, we track its path with telescopes, leaving data for young minds to ponder. Will these records spark tomorrow's stargazers to chase the unknown? The thought sways gently, a soothing rhythm calming the mind. Picture students studying its strange trajectory, their imaginations lit by tales of interstellar wanderers. This recalls the Apollo missions, which drove generations to reach for the moon. The object's story feels profound, like a beacon guiding future explorers. Imagine children gazing at the night sky, dreaming of probes sent to distant stars. The idea hums softly, a tranquil pulse easing us toward rest. Scientists today compile observations, creating a legacy for those who follow. This mirrors the Voyager probes, whose images inspired countless careers. The notion of 3IATLAS as a spark for youth lingers, a whisper soothing the soul. Could its data inspire a new era of exploration, or reveal secrets we can't yet grasp? The question weaves a peaceful note, inviting reflection as we drift. As we lie beneath the stars, the thought of young dreamers calms us, weaving visions of classrooms alive with wonder. The idea of a lasting legacy lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with the promise of future explorers chasing the stars. Picture 3IATLAS as a spark, igniting curiosity that burns for a lifetime. Its anomalies, like unexpected wobbles, drive questions, much like Mars rovers sparked wonder about alien landscapes. Today, we study its quirks, leaving clues for future minds to unravel. What paths will these questions lead us down? Chasing stars or signals? The thought flows gently, a soothing tide easing us to rest. Imagine young scientists pondering its strange path, their minds alive with possibility. This recalls the Viking missions, whose images of Mars fueled decades of inquiry. The object's enigmatic nature feels like a whisper, stirring reflection as we drift. Could it hide secrets that inspire new theories, or is it merely a rock? The question hums softly, a tranquil note calming the soul. Scientists now record its data, a gift for those who will follow. The idea of lifelong curiosity lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. This mirrors the Hubble's images, sparking questions that endure. Picture students today, inspired by 3IATLAS, dreaming of interstellar voyages. The notion of its anomalies as a catalyst soothes us, weaving visions of young minds chasing answers. The thought of a legacy of wonder sways quietly, guiding us to sleep. Could its mysteries drive a new generation to explore the unknown? As we drift to rest, the idea of 3IATLAS inspiring curiosity calms us, carrying us into a night filled with the promise of questions that light the stars. 3IATLAS, like the discovery of pulsars, could reshape astronomy for decades. Its data, whether from a natural rock or something more, will guide future telescopes and theories. Today, we build tools to probe its secrets, laying foundations for new science. Will these efforts unlock the universe's deeper truths? The thought drifts gently, a soothing pulse inviting reflection. Picture astronomers debating its nature, their findings shaping how we study the stars. This recalls pulsars, once mysterious, now key to understanding cosmic clocks. The object's impact feels profound, like a shift in our view of the heavens. Scientists argue whether it's a comet or something crafted, each theory a step toward knowledge. The idea hums softly, a tranquil note calming the soul. Imagine observatories designed to chase similar wanderers, inspired by 3IATLAS. This mirrors the radio telescopes built to explore new signals. The notion of a lasting impact lingers, a whisper easing us toward rest. Could its study redefine our cosmic maps, or confirm existing laws? The question sways quietly, a peaceful riddle soothing the mind. Today, we gather spectra and trajectories, building a legacy for future science. The thought of reshaping astronomy weaves a gentle wave, guiding us to sleep. As we lie beneath the night sky, the idea of 3IATLAS's influence calms us, weaving visions of telescopes piercing the void. The promise of new discoveries lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the hope of cosmic truths. Imagine 3IATLAS as a seed, its impact growing with each observation. Like Hubble's deep field images, its study could unveil new realms of knowledge. Today, we watch its path, leaving data for descendants to explore. What truths will they find in our pursuit? The thought sways gently, a soothing tide easing us to rest. Picture astronomers analyzing its faint glow, each clue a step toward understanding. This recalls the Hubble's galaxies, revealing a universe vast and complex. The object's enigma feels like a whisper, stirring wonder as we drift. Could its anomalies point to new cosmic laws, or remain unexplained? The idea hums softly, a tranquil note calming the soul. Scientists today compile records, a foundation for future breakthroughs. The notion of a growing legacy lingers, a gentle wave pulling us toward dreams. This mirrors the Voyager probes, whose data still shapes our knowledge. Imagine descendants studying 3IATLAS, inspired by our questions. The thought of its lasting impact soothes us, weaving visions of observatories chasing starry secrets. The possibility of new discoveries sways quietly, guiding us to sleep. Could its study reveal unseen worlds, or confirm the familiar? The question weaves a peaceful riddle, calming the mind with its promise. As we drift to rest, the idea of 3IATLAS's legacy calms us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the hope of truths unveiled by future eyes. Like ancient texts preserved for ages, 3IATLAS's records will endure in digital vaults. Scientists today archive its spectra and path, much like Voyager's golden records sent to eternity. We capture its story, a gift for future minds to ponder. Will these traces lead them to the stars? The thought hums gently, a soothing note calming the mind. Picture data stored in vast servers, holding clues to an interstellar visitor. This recalls the Rosetta Stone, unlocking lost languages for new generations. The object's legacy feels profound, like a bridge to tomorrow's explorers. Imagine astronomers centuries from now, studying our observations of 3IATLAS. The idea sways softly, a tranquil pulse easing us toward rest. Scientists now compile every detail, ensuring its story survives. This mirrors cave paintings, preserving ancient tales for distant eyes. The notion of an enduring record lingers, a whisper soothing the soul. Could these archives inspire voyages to distant systems? The question weaves a peaceful rhythm, inviting reflection as we drift. Today, we save its light in motion, a legacy for those who follow. The thought of future stargazers calms us, weaving visions of digital vaults and their treasures. The promise of lasting traces lulls us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the hope of starry discoveries. Picture 3IATLAS as a question mark, its true nature hidden from us. Whether rock or relic, it challenges us to look beyond known horizons. Like Galileo's sketches of Jupiter's moons, our records may spark new paradigms. What traces will we leave for tomorrow's dreamers? The thought drifts gently, a soothing tide easing us to sleep. Scientists debate if it's a natural wanderer or something crafted, each theory a clue for the future. Today, we store its data, hoping to inspire revolutions. The question hums softly, a tranquil note calming the soul. This recalls Kepler's laws, scribbled centuries ago, reshaping astronomy. Could 3IATLAS's anomalies redefine our cosmic view, or confirm old truths? The idea sways quietly, a peaceful riddle stirring reflection. Imagine future scientists poring over our archives, seeking answers in its path. The notion of a paradigm shift lingers, a whisper soothing the mind. Some see it as cosmic debris, while others dream of alien design. The possibility of new ideas feels like a breeze, guiding us toward dreams. Today, we preserve its story, a beacon for those who follow. The thought of its influence weaves a gentle wave, calming us with its promise as we drift to rest. The idea of 3IATLAS inspiring new paradigms soothes us, carrying us into a night filled with wonder and the hope of revolutions sparked by a single starry question. And so, 3IATLAS lingers like a question written across the night sky, waiting for future eyes to read. Whether a silent stone or a crafted relic, its presence reminds us how little we know and how much there is still to dream. Thank you for drifting with Cosmic Sleep Science through this quiet journey among the stars. Subscribe if you'd like more nights of wonder and rest. And until we meet again, may the cosmos guide you gently into sleep.